Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Say the tea is missing something.
Like?
I don't know. It's hot chocolate, marshmallows. Do we have any?
I don't think so. Wanna make some?
That's a good idea. That's a real good idea. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Love you.
Love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. And to all my returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? Welcome to That's So Chev. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing something that I always wanted to do. We are making marshmallows from scratch. How did you guys like the first part of the video? The look of how did you like it? Tell me in the description box down below. Please remember, before we get into this video, please remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. How did this idea come about? I don't remember her name. I can't remember her name right now. I think it was someone on TikTok. I saw her said she was making marshmallows for her kids, or her kids wanted marshmallows and she decided to make marshmallows from scratch. And I was like, you could do that? I didn't know you could make marshmallows. I was wondering how the marshmallows actually came about, but I'm going to share with you guys today. So as you guys can see, we are using cornstarch, we're using corn syrup, we're using vanilla, we're using gelatin, we're using powdered sugar, and we're using granulated sugar. So those are our ingredients for the video. As we go along, I'll let you guys know the measurements for what is what. Please bear in mind, this is my first time. I may do foolishness. I may do foolishness, but we're gonna try. Is it a fail? I don't think so. But let's go ahead and make these marshmallows. We are not baking the marshmallows. No. We're not baking the marshmallows. You want a baking tin. So we are going to put the marshmallows in a baking tin to settle. So we're jumping into the first step of making our marshmallows, and that first step is to base your baking tin with an oil of your choice. I use coconut oil. Go ahead and ensure that every corner of your baking tin is based. Now I'm doing this a little bit ghetto because I forgot to get a brush. Please forgive me. Now you go ahead and you use your powdered sugar and the cornstarch. Ensure that every corner is based. This is going to prevent your marshmallows from sticking to your tin, and they will come out, they will literally just glide out of your tin. Right, so we are fully based. Now that our pan is fully based, we're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna get our mixing bowls, 2 packs of the gelatin. Gonna get 2 packs of gelatin. That's what was recommended in the video that I watched. A cup of water, and then you're gonna put it to the side, let it settle, let the gelatin and the water come together, and then we put that down. And then we're gonna go ahead and boil sugar and cornstarch together. So let's get that done. I'm so excited. Pot is bubbling, it's simmering. It needs to reach to a bubble. It needs to reach to 250 degrees. No, I don't have a, what do you call that thing? I don't have a thermometer for this, but there is a method. If you don't have a thermometer, go ahead, get a cold glass of water, put some of the sugar that is bubbling into that cold glass of water, and if you take up a piece of it and it's mushy, then it is ready. If it's too hard, then it's overcooked. If it is tacky, then it's not ready. So that's what I learned. So we're learning together. Remember, first time, this may be a fail, but we're learning together. Yeah. So right now, I'm just waiting for it to bubble. So I'm waiting for it to boil. So I'll come back when it's ready. Alright guys, so this is me testing it out. It is hard. It's getting hard. So I think I'm gonna give it a few more minutes because it's hard on the spoon. This food literally has an extra show right now. Alright, so I'm gonna have to call my husband for help. My husband? Babe, come here please. Do something. I need your help to throw in the rest of that for me, please. Yeah, throw it in there. So take time. Remember it's hot. You don't want it to. You want this?
Marshmallows?
Yeah, baby. Oh, sweet, no, correct.
Okay.
marshmallows from scratch. Yeah, God. Yes, for instructions. Follow the instructions to the T, okay? But please get your thermometer. Get it? That is what is going to bring everything to a whole, right? Blend until you see fluffy. Okay? You want a fluffy consistency. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to finish cutting these up and then I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Me? Yeah, I'm coming here for We have come to the end of the video. It was a success. It was a whole success. I'm real proud. I'm real proud of myself. Real proud of myself. Real proud. If you guys are going to be trying out, let me know. If you guys are surprised that it turned out so good, let me know. Listen, I'm real surprised that it turned out so good. And I know this hot chocolate is about to taste delightful, okay? This tastes so good. This tastes so good. Guys, when you finish making your marshmallows, ensure that you put them in a what do you call this? A strainer, and brush off the excess cornstarch off of them, or it's going to just taste like cornstarch marshmallows. And nobody wants to taste that. I am about to go finish the rest of I'm about to go finish the rest of this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.